So you're looking for more information on Kindle Direct Publishing? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you an honest review on the Kindle Direct Publishing platform. And I'm going to break down the important things that you need to know. My name is Tamira Rashid, and if you want to publish books as a business and not just as a hobby, and you want to get the best tips, tricks, and strategies to help you write, publish, and market your books, then you want to hit that subscribe button and then tick the bell to be notified of any videos that I come up with in the future. So that way you don't miss anything. And with that said, let's jump right into today's content. Kindle Direct Publishing allows you to self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free. You can publish novels, book series, children's books, comics, cookbooks, journals, poetry, and textbooks through the Kindle Direct Publishing platform. So are you able to use Kindle Direct Publishing for content currently published elsewhere? Yes, you can if you have all of the rights to that work to be able to publish it. Here they have a list of their guidelines and requirements. This is something I always point my clients to because they have specific guidelines that your formatting, that your book cover and your manuscript have to abide by in order to be uploaded to Amazon. Let's talk about the royalty structure. Based on this, it says you can choose between two royalty options. They have a 35% royalty option, and they also have a 70% royalty option. When you list your book between the prices of $2.99 and $9.99, then it is eligible for 70% royalties. If you're pricing your book anywhere from 99 cents to $200, then it is eligible for the 35% royalty option. So how do you get paid from Kindle Direct Publishing? They pay royalties every month, approximately 60 days after the end of the month in which the sale was reported. If you made sales in January, you wouldn't see those sales until March. Or if it was in February, you wouldn't see those sales until April. Direct deposit is always going to be the best way to receive your funds. If you're getting your funds by wire transfer or by check, you can expect it to take a bit longer. And you can see that difference here. It'll show you exactly what the thresholds are. And that's going to be different depending on what currency you are using. Here you can see that there's an actual payment timing and payment schedule for when to expect to get your royalty payment. So if you met the royalty threshold in these particular months, then it'll tell you when you'll receive your royalty payment. So you don't have to guess when your payment's going to get to you. Let's talk about actually creating your book on this platform. Kindle Direct Publishing has everything that you need to be able to create and upload your book. So depending on whether you are writing books as a hobby or writing books as a business, you can use KDP's platform to write, format, proofread, and edit, and upload your book to Amazon. If you're publishing as a business, then you want to hire your own ebook designer, your book cover designer. You want to find your own formatter, your own proofreader, and have a team available of people, some reliable people that will help you to upload quality books, high quality books. Let's talk about expanded distribution. Expanded distribution can help you reach more readers through bookstores, online retailers, libraries, and academic institutions. If you enroll your paperback in expanded distribution, Kindle Direct Publishing will make your book available to distributors so booksellers and libraries can find your book and order it. Requirements for expanded distribution are just to have a Kindle Direct Publishing account. So regardless as to where you live, you can enroll in expanded distribution for free. In order to enroll your paperback in expanded distribution, it must be available on Amazon.com or Amazon.co.uk. If your book does not meet the requirements or KDP's distributors don't accept your book into expanded distribution, they will remove it from enrollment. So the way that royalties work for expanded distribution is if you enroll your paperback in expanded distribution, the royalty rate is 40% of the book's list price effective in the distribution channel at the time of purchase. And they take out the printing costs, the applicable taxes, and withholding from that. This is one of my books, and I want to show you how the royalties look when you actually upload your book. I have here the territories selected, all territories. So as you go down, my primary marketplace is Amazon.com in the US. But as you can see, it shows all of the different marketplaces for all of the different territories that they accept. And here you can see that there is an expanded distribution section. And then this is where your regular royalties occur. It shows you where expanded distribution is offered. So it's only offered in the United States and in the United Kingdom. You can see it's not offered in any of the other marketplaces. But then it also shows you what your rate of royalty is, your regular rate, and it also shows you what your expanded distribution rate is and what your royalty would be as a result of that. If for any reason you're confused about Kindle Direct Publishing's publishing guidelines, these guidelines are outlined under the section called under User Guides, Kindle Publishing Guidelines. And you can actually get all of the information that you need on how to create books that meet the requirements to be uploaded to KDP. Hopefully you got some value from this video. And if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and drop me a comment down below. What kind of videos do you want to see? And I will talk to you on the next video.